Samsung's upcoming foldable, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, is one of the most crucial smartphone models for the company. If executed well, the phone will help the Korean tech giant maintain its leadership in the foldable industry, especially when Chinese manufacturers like Vivo and Huawei are catching up. As anticipation builds, the pricing for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has been leaked. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to feature an improved crease and several design enhancements. These changes aim to solidify Samsung's position in the foldable smartphone market. However, Samsung is no longer the sole player in this segment. Vivo recently made waves with its Fold X3, challenging Samsung's dominance in India's foldable phone market. All eyes are now on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the original giant in the foldable smartphone category, to see if it can maintain its leading position amidst growing competition. The company could launch the devices in 3 or 4 color options. Those colors have now been revealed via a reliable tipster. According to legendary leakster Evan Blass, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be available in blue, mint, silver shadow, and yellow colors. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will reportedly be available in 3 colors: navy, pink, and silver shadow. In addition to the colors mentioned above, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will be available in crafted black, peach, and white colors. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 will reportedly be available in crafted black and white colors. These additional color options will only be available through Samsung's own online store in some countries. The pink color option will be available for the first time in the Galaxy Z Fold series. Samsung usually launches more understated colors for the Galaxy Z Fold series and goes crazy with blingy and bold colors for the Galaxy Z Flip series. So it looks like Samsung is now starting to bring more expressive color options for the Galaxy Z Fold series. According to SmartPri, the pricing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the US has been leaked. The phone will be available in 3 storage options: 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Unfortunately, all these variants will be more expensive than last year's model. Weighing 239 grams, it is lighter than its predecessor, which weighed 253 grams. The price increase of $100 across all variants is expected to be reflected globally, including in markets like India, where foldables are among the priciest smartphones. SmartPri reports that Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 starting at $1,900 for the base 256 GB model in the United States. It's up $100 from the prior year, and other storage variants follow. The 512 GB model apparently comes in at $2,020, while the top 1 TB option is set to cost $2,260. Spotted on X, regular leaker Ice Universe mused that the foldable phone would be getting new features and revealed one that looks like a way to enhance hand-drawn sketches and notes. From what we can tell, the images that Ice Universe leaked show someone sketching a structure based on Indian architecture from the 15th and 18th centuries. The AI feature takes that image and turns it into a 3D enhanced image based on notes entered by the user. Other than updates to Live Translate, the company declined to elaborate on what other AI features might be on any new foldable phones. However, it's clear that like Apple and its recently announced iOS 18 Apple Intelligence updates, Samsung favors on-device AI. Despite the price hike, Samsung is expected to provide attractive introductory offers. Customers who pre-book the Galaxy Z Fold 6 can benefit from free storage upgrades and the option to bundle accessories at discounted rates. Details about these pre-booking offers will likely be available online soon. There's plenty of speculation that Samsung will unveil the next foldable phones, possibly as soon as July 10th, at the next Galaxy Unpacked event. Reportedly, Samsung wants to launch its new phones prior to the Paris Olympics, of which the company is a major sponsor. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.